Blues music has a rich history that dates back to the early 20th century. It is a genre deeply rooted in African American culture, born out of the hardships and struggles faced by the black community. One of the most influential figures in blues guitar playing is Robert Johnson, whose legacy continues to live on through modern-day musicians like Eric Clapton. The power of emotion, connecting with your audience. Blues music is all about evoking emotions and connecting with listeners on a deep level. When you listen to a blues song, you can feel the raw emotion pouring out through every note played on the guitar. This emotional connection is what sets blues apart from other genres. Robert Johnson, a pioneer in blues guitar. Robert Johnson was an incredibly talented blues guitarist who emerged during the 1930s. His unique style and haunting lyrics captivated audiences across America, even though he recorded only 29 songs before his untimely death at age 27. Johnson's guitar playing technique was revolutionary for its time. He combined intricate fingerpicking patterns with slide guitar techniques, creating a sound that had never been heard before. His ability to convey intense emotions through his playing set him apart from other musicians of his era. Eric Clapton, carrying on the tradition. Eric Clapton, often referred to as Slow Hand, is one of the most revered guitarists in rock history. While he gained fame as part of bands like Cream and Derek and the Dominoes, it was his solo career where he truly showcased his love for blues music. Clapton was heavily influenced by Robert Johnson's style and incorporated many elements into his own playing technique. He admired Johnson's ability to express deep emotions through simple yet powerful melodies played on acoustic or electric guitars. The influence of Robert Johnson on Clapton's playing. Clapton once said, "Robert Johnson to me is the most important blues musician who ever lived." This statement speaks volumes about the impact Johnson had on his musical journey. One of the key aspects that Clapton adopted from Johnson was his fingerpicking technique. He studied Johnson's recordings meticulously, trying to capture the essence of his playing style. By doing so, Clapton was able to infuse a touch of blues into his own rock music, expanding horizons, from blues to rock. As Clapton's career progressed, he ventured beyond traditional blues and explored other genres like rock and pop. However, even in these new styles, traces of Robert Johnson's influence can still be heard. Clapton's ability to blend different genres while maintaining a strong blues foundation is what makes him such a versatile guitarist. He has managed to keep the spirit of blues alive and relevant in modern music. The enduring legacy, inspiring future generations. The impact of Robert Johnson on Eric Clapton extends beyond their individual careers. It has inspired countless musicians around the world. Many guitarists have sought to emulate their playing styles as they strive to master this timeless genre. By studying both artists' techniques and incorporating them into their own playing, aspiring guitarists can learn valuable lessons about expression and emotion through music. Conclusion: the timelessness of blues guitar. The evolution of blues guitar from Robert Johnson to Eric Clapton demonstrates how this genre has continuously evolved over time while retaining its core essence, emotional connection through music. Johnson's legacy lives on not only through his original recordings but also through musicians like Eric Clapton who continue to carry forward his influence in contemporary music scenes worldwide. In conclusion, understanding the evolution of blues guitar allows us to appreciate how artists like Eric Clapton pay homage while adding their unique flair to the genre. By delving into the rich history of blues guitar, aspiring musicians can gain a deeper understanding of its emotional power and learn how to connect with their audience on a profound level. So grab your guitar, immerse yourself in the music of Robert Johnson and Eric Clapton, and let the legacy of blues guitar inspire your own musical journey.